composter, also known as compost, compost bin, compost heap or compost pile, is a system that allows the conversion of organic waste into natural fertilizer. Through composting, food scraps and other organic materials decompose, transforming into a rich fertilizer to enrich the soil. Creating a composter at home or in the community is an easy and effective process. First, we need to collect organic waste, which can include scraps of fruits and vegetables, eggshells, used coffee grounds, dry leaves, and unprinted cardboard. It is important to avoid including meat, dairy, fats, or remnants of chemical products and pet waste. To assemble a composter, a container is required, which can be made of plastic, wood, or metal, where the waste will be deposited. We also need soil, which will aid in decomposition, and redworms, which are optional but benefit the process through vermicomposting. Finally, a lid or cover will be necessary. In a suitable location, the container should be placed and started to fill with organic waste and layers of soil, alternating to ensure good aeration and moisture. If opting for vermicomposting, the redworms will be incorporated into the process to speed up decomposition. It is crucial to aerate the contents regularly. Having a composter significantly reduces household waste, transforming what would be waste into a valuable resource. The resulting compost enriches the soil with natural nutrients, improving the quality of gardens and urban orchards. Additionally, it helps combat climate change by reducing methane emissions. We invite you to join the change by creating your composter. Whether at home or in your community, alone or with family, feel encouraged to build your own compost. Join the movement to recycle your organic waste and let's continue building a more sustainable planet for everyone. We invite you to follow us for more ideas on how to protect our environment for present and future generations.